There's not a better group of people to be around to help you realize your dreams than the folks here in the Sokolov Honors College.
As an incoming student, you're going to have more opportunities for scholarship dollars. And we want to try to make sure that our students who are getting an education at YSU accrues as little to no debt as possible. So we really are giving you a quality education for a lower price point.
Today we have 6 students from a variety of fields and years in school, and countries and states and areas. And so again, hopefully you'll hear from some of them that you can relate to. They'll answer some of your questions today. But first up is Anthony Biondillo.
The Honors College allows us to build more personal relationships with individuals through the course material that the Honors College crafts for us.
I really want to say I appreciate all that Honors College has done for me, providing me with a ton of opportunities to kind of help me develop professionally and socially as well. So I'd like to encourage each and every individual here, prospective student, to consider joining the Honors College, because guess what? There's so many opportunities available for you at your disposal. So yeah, that's what I want to say.
I guess I wouldn't believe myself if I told senior me, you know, how involved I got, how many great friends I made, and that I'm living across the state and I moved out of the house at 17, you know? Like I went to a new place, knew no one. So I guess wise words, we kind of all said it, you know, just, you can do it, you know? And like, if you put the effort in, like, it will pay off.
Make an effort to reach out to people. There are people who will make that same effort with you and who will support you throughout the rest of your life.
So because the Honors College, I really had the opportunity to just build a strong network. I learned how to handle myself at conferences. I learned how to present and not die of stage fright. Not yet anyways. So I just grew a lot.
You know, have confidence in yourself, and even if you don't let that hold you back from trying new things, especially when it comes to talking to other people that have experiences related to you or not, whether it is your classmates, whether it is your professors, other faculty in honors, or when you're volunteering, just other people around you. It's scary. You might not feel like a people person now, but push yourself to do that. Do something that scares you every day, and you will get to where you want to go, I'm sure of it.